Good morning, guys. So everything today is gonna be a little bit different. So all night, as you can hear the sirens in the background, it was literally sirens and aftershocks all night. This morning I went down for breakfast and Oki informed me that the venue where we were supposed to wrestle at today, the wall collapsed actually on it. So we aren't wrestling today. Instead, we're actually to go to the damaged areas and help clean up a little bit. So today's going to be an interesting vlog, and it's crazy that the same town we're staying in had a 6.3 magnitude earthquake. As of now, 9 people have passed away and many others are hurt, so hopefully we can do some good today. Okay, vlog. It's not finished uploading, but hopefully it'll not shut off on me. Got my backpack full of goodies for the day, and by goodies I mean food, protein, water, and by food I mean peanuts and some gummy bears. Anyways, we're gonna ROLL blow this popsicle stand key. Good thing it's in this door thing. Everything's unplugged now. Yeah. Time to ROLL. It's beautiful out. Okay, let's cruise. Do not disturb. Yeah. To the first floor.
でご連絡しましたが、今日、延期ということで、あくまでもすみません、中止じゃなくて延期という形だったんです。でも、会場の方でもう今日は、駅前のホテルの人の、宿泊があったりで、中心部の方でもお店が壊滅状態ということと、一応ちょっと倫理的にも
There's literally nothing. Like, nothing on these shelves. Everything's been taken away because of the earthquake. No food. Yeah. Oh, earthquake, everyone but. That is crazy. I wasn't even expected to film in here, and like cleared that out. Ambulance and the fire trucks, and literally nothing was in that 7-Eleven. Just crazy, yo. So it took us forever to get here, but crazy the destruction that's actually took place over here. So we're gonna be vlogging from the phone right now. I'm leaving the camera in the car, but yeah. Yeah, honestly, this is crazy. It took forever to get here, but this is where we were supposed to wrestle today. Just imagine if we were wrestling here yesterday, we would have been caught right in the middle of this earthquake. Crazy how much a day can make. Japanese maple up in here. Look at that. Man, scary to think what exactly happens. Rescue from chopper over top. There's a few, actually. There's 1, 2. I don't know how well this camera picks it up, but crazy all the destruction that's here. Look at that. All the glass broke over there. Statues down. Hey. Let's go see what we're up to. Oh, careful, Itakura. So, pretty good progress. Japanese never jaywalk. Yeah, here he goes.
Slow as shit in the street.
Guys in the room? No? Yeah. Day off. Tomorrow, no show.
17.
Tomorrow's Saturday, day off, 16. 17? Oh, you know match? Me last. Nice. You.
Me, semi-final.
Oh.
あれじゃないメインイベント
Ooh, superstar. Me, Panda?
いいパンダ
Yeah. In it. No, that's Sunday, the 17th. Then wait. Nice people.
Super fly!
これやっていいって言ってないから さんからです。おめでとうございます。やばい、ほら、カメラ。めっちゃ踊れる。
皆さんには絶対負ける気しません。
上だ。
先週じゃん。
やろうよ。今から行こうよ。あ、レフェリーもいるぞ、ここに一緒に。タイガーが。
ありがとうございます。
はい、おめでとうございます。
セットかな。
セット
おもんないから、大分さんに、だからキャプチャ
セットからの。セットじゃね
セットかね。
スーパーフライのセットから。
おじさん。
じゃあもう疲れてんだな。
もうスーパーフライなんとかしないと。
飛ぶよ、ここから。来たら。色まみれになるぞ。色まみれ。乳首舐めてやれよ。舐めろ。横綱だろ。横綱みたいな。しょっぱい。
起きない。
横綱。
甘さか。
お前、おかしい。
ヘイダーどうしたの？いや今おしっこしてないんです。
何がわかんないにして。
おしっこするんだ。
しません。
おしっこするんだ。
おしっこするんですか？おしっこする。マジですか？
Don't pass out.
なんだ。
帽子顔隠して。帽子で顔隠して。
これは誰？
帽子です。
これ誰の？クマさんのです。クマちゃん帰るよ。
お腹なんか書いた。
クマさん帰るよ。パンダちゃん帰る。
見えない。
僕一回帰ります。はい。それでまた合流します。
パンダ。
逃げた。
こっちの近い。
Literally trying to get this guy home right now.
びっちゃびちゃでもそっちの近い。
パワーファイター。
Kayfabe.
Send me that video.
You can watch it on YouTube in a few days.
Pandita. Pandita, wake up.
Okay.
A wallet? Here. And tie him.
happens when you have too much to drink and
Come on, get up there.
I'm fucked, but nice way worse.
Oh no, maybe Austin.
Come on.
Roll? Oh, smooth. Dude, you're laughing so hard you just broke your phone.
Come on. 頑張れ。
No, it's good.
Panda. I can't even handle this right now. I can't. I just can't.
大谷さん待ってるから。
Oh, ちょっと待って。あ、すみません。
あ、ギブさん。
Come on, Panda.
Show it to me when I'm less drunk.
Yo, so we just found a Comfort Inn that way. Oh, he's dropping his cup.
Hey, I found my cup.
Anyways, I found a Comfort Inn. Like, how crazy is that? A Comfort Inn in Japan. Like, he's from America, I'm from Canada, but like, that's Canadian as hell to me. Like, that's like back home, so like, that's like...
Dude, we have those everywhere in America, though.
Hey. Look at that, it literally says Tajiri. He's the reason why I stopped the channel and started liking pro wrestling in the first place. And Austin gets the photobomb. I'm trying to photobomb it, but it's not gonna work as well. Oh. I'll take the picture, but then we're heading right back. Holy shit, you almost made me drop your phone. Okay, fix your phone. Sorry, I don't know how to do that gimmick. Okay, so I tried doing this earlier, but I filmed too much stuff that it wouldn't process. Anyways, we just got back from our sponsor dinner. I am so tired right now, like so tired. I gotta edit this vlog, and I just found out that we have to be on, well, me, Austin, have to be on the road with Oki at 7 a.m. Like, See, I wish I knew this before we went for the sponsored dinner. I probably wouldn't have drank at all. But like, it's hard not to drink with these sponsored dinners in Japan because they want you to drink, right? Anyways, long story short, I gotta edit this vlog right now. So, see, this is where I wish I talked about the stuff before. Anyways, so yeah, that sucked for everybody that's involved. I hope and pray that everything works out right for everybody. The place that we went to where we were supposed to have our show today, we cleaned up and just literally there was a glass wall that's just completely found down. We cleaned all the glass, so they turned that into like a shelter area so people could come and like sleep there. And I'm sorry I'm doing like a fast version of this. I'm really tired. I got a lot of editing to do for tonight and 7 a.m. Anyways, 7 a.m. we have to be on the road. 6:45 is when breakfast is served, so we gotta be down there for 6:45. I made sure Austin's girlfriend's gonna call him to wake him up. Total dad mode. As you will see in this video, Panda was just done, and like as soon as that happened, I got into dad mode where I take care of everybody and just instantly sober, which isn't a bad thing. But anyways, long story short, we're gonna call it a night before I keep blabbering on. Like I'm happy everything's gonna work out where people can stay in the place where we were supposed to wrestle today, and we are off. It's only 3 hours to the next show. Hopefully we can hop in a hotel room, and I'm sleeping in that car ride for sure, 100%. I got a lot of editing to do. It's midnight right now, so anyways guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate this, and we will talk to you tomorrow. I'm sorry there's no match today. It was supposed to be me and Iwaki. Next match is we're off tomorrow, but we'll still have a vlog for tomorrow. But it's me and Panda the next day, so that'll be the next match. A special FMW presents Last Samurai versus Pandita. Anyways guys, I would like to say I'm off to bed, but no, I'm off to edit this vlog right now. Thank you for watching. We will talk to you another day, and keep chasing your dreams. Oh, you see me to say. Okay, so it's like 1:45 in the morning. We're all outside right now. The earthquakes were so bad, I literally got woken up to like get the fuck outside, and like I'm sorry about the swearing, but like get the hell outside, and like everybody evacuated the building right now. We're all outside right now, standing outside chilling. It's 1:45 in the morning, pushing 2 o'clock a.m. Like we literally probably got like an hour's sleep if that before we're all outside, and just I'm tired, but everyone's safe, so I guess that's all that matters, right? Not to make this really real, but I just got permission to go grab my bag real quick. But earthquakes are really bad. Evacuate the whole fucking hotel. Sorry about the language, but this is just completely like out of it. I literally packed my bag like nothing, and I grabbed some towels to keep some people warm, some fresh towels. But this is completely like F-U-C-K-E-D. Like, crazy. Yo. Okay, for the record, it's almost 2:30 right now. We're still outside. I got my bag. I don't think I've ever packed a suitcase faster in my entire life before. I didn't even grab anything. I don't even know what's in the fridge, like water or anything like that. It's still out there. Everybody's pretty hurt in units. I don't even know if you can see them down there laying down, but this is my reality right now, and it's as scary as it was earlier today. This is a little scarier now because everyone's had drinks, and it's just, I'm happy I go into dad mode, and I'm happy Panda was really messed up that I got into dad mode early on in the night. I've stayed that way, so, but anyways, I'll keep you guys updated as we go, but this could be an interesting vlog whenever I get a chance to edit it. Okay, so it's 3 a.m. Everyone's still safe. We got a couple of aftershocks, as you can see. So stuff's falling down. It's a little sketchy in here. That computer's turned down. That pot's broke. But we're all safe, that's the main thing, and we're all just keeping tight. Still got 7 a.m. call to go, but we're all safe, and that's all that matters. Okay, so we just got permission to get back into our rooms. Yeah, if anything happens, I'm packed ready to go. Like, I didn't leave anything. Oh fuck, eh? I don't even know how to explain that dirt underneath the sink. Those are in there. Like, I guess that's all dirt underneath the toilet and the sink, but like, wow, it's crazy. Those are back in the sink there. Crazy stuff, yeah. That's for sure. Yeah. The only thing I didn't grab was, I guess, some candy, which I might have appreciated, and water that's in the fridge. But other than that, I'm literally gonna try to get some sleep. I'm gonna leave the camera. Part of me wants to work on this vlog right now, but I think that's gonna be a car ride tomorrow, sort of trip. But literally everything was just thrown in so randomly, just to come back. When I got permission to come up here and grab my stuff real quick and bring back down and race back down, so we still have a 7 a.m. wake up call, and like by 7 a.m. I mean on the road for 7. Breakfast starts at 6:45, so crazy stuff though. Welcome to my life.